So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix if you're not able to find emoji options on your iPhone's keyboard. Now in order to fix that, simply open the settings of your iPhone. Here in the settings, simply go to general. Here in the general, go to keyboards. Right there, when you scroll down you'll find keyboard. Simply click on keyboard, and here on the top of the screen simply click on keyboards. Once you do that, and here you'll see this option of currently keyboard have emojis. For example, if you don't have that emoji keyboard on your iPhone, let's say if I deleted this by mistakenly, now if you want to get back, if I show you, there is no keyboard option for me on the keyboard right there. Now if I want that keyboard again, simply go to general. Here in the general, go to again keyboard and go to that particular option again, hit add new keyboard, and here you have to search for emoji right there, emoji, and simply add that particular one. Now here you'll see the emoji has been added on the keyboards. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.